This is my front yard grass that you see here. It's a lawn. It's actually fescue tall grass. Okay, as you can see here. And I just 2 days ago put fertilizer here. And now what I would like to do, I would like to put this product called Ironite, okay, from Pennington. Deep green lawn, okay. So the recommendation is to apply fertilize if you need to apply 2 days before you apply the Ironite. So I apply the fertilizer here on this grass, okay, and I put water on it 2 days ago, and now I'm going to apply the Ironite. So per manufacturer recommendation, you have to put a third pound per 100 square feet. Here I really have 1,200 square feet, so actually it's 12 times a third, which is almost 4 pounds of ironite material, okay, or minerals that I have to put here in order to make this grass look a little bit greener, okay. So let me show you how I'm doing it. So here I have a container, and here I have a balance which I can weight how much material this container have, because remember, I need only 4 pounds. I don't want to put more than 4 pounds. Okay, so first thing I have to cut here. Now you have to be very careful not to drop the iron here. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the way it's look. You can see the way it's look. It's actually dark pieces, small pieces here. And I want to put them here. To measure it to see how much it is. And so what I have here, I have a roughly, as you can see here, it's almost full. It's exactly 2 pounds. So I really need 2 containers like that. So that's the first container. So here I'm using the standard broadcast from Scott, and I had to put it here on 3 because that's what the recommendation from the manufacturer. Let me show you what happened when I press it like that. You can see that's the 3. He opened a small hole here, okay? And here is the ironite, okay? Minerals. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in. Remember, that's the first container. I have to put another container. So here is the second container, and it's roughly 2 pounds of material, ironite. And I'm taking it and put it here. So the next thing I need to do is just, make sure to release, there are some kind of, if you look at that, what I have here, if you look here, you can see it's like a lot of small together, it's a big piece. So you just need to break the pieces here, because otherwise, not all the material will go. So spread it nicely here to make sure that all the big pieces, you see pieces like that will not go to the hole. Okay, what you need to do is just break it. It's granulite, so just like break it. Okay. The way it's look, okay, and here remember I put it to 3. You can see it's actually 3 according to the manufacturer recommendation. I start spreading the ironite all over the lawn. As you can see, please know that the movie is running 4 times faster than normal. Okay, you need to actually walk normally and spread it with the spreader here, as you can see. Okay, I completed to spread the ironite minerals on the grass on the lawns here, okay? And the second thing you have to do, okay, and that's important, you have to clean with a broom that you can see here, if there is any remain of ironite on your driveway, because these will stain your driveway and you cannot be able to remove it. So you see what I'm doing? I'm taking this and I just... Now the only thing left is to irrigate, to water the lawn very, very nicely, okay, very deeply, that the iron, all the ironite mineral will go to the ground. So that's very important. After you put the ironite, you have to water the lawn. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to water it. And I'm going to water it for at least 5 to 10 minutes until all this lawn going to be waterized properly. So I will continue watering and we're going to see the result in 2 weeks to see how this ironite really work. So this is the way the lawn is look after 2 weeks, and you can compare it to my neighbor here. See the difference? So look how green it is after 2 weeks. I can show you here. Quite nice green color, as you can see here. Comparison to my neighbors here. Thank you for watching this video.